Let's see how to insert text boxes in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert your text box, first click on the Insert tab, and you should see the option to insert your text box right here in the text section. And as you can see, we have the text box option right here. And to insert your text box, simply click on your preferred text box style. And for this one, let's go and select simple text box. And when you click that, it should automatically insert into your document. And from here, you have a lot of options. You can customize your text box. And you can change the shape fill or the outline, as well as the format of the text inside. And that is how you can insert a text box in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.